not useful, guys. I don't need this to my bar because I don't have the hot kitchen, just cold. So this gonna be thrown to garbage. Yeah, but this is very good for the soup. Personally, yes, but in this sushi bar, no.